welcome back to my channel. Today I have another great DIY for you. It's another wall art DIY and it's one you're gonna love. It's very easy to make, it's affordable, it's perfect for staging, or if you just want to enhance that wall space in your home. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Oh, and there's my cat sleeping on the couch. See you soon. thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.